Right, Ray, one up, par 4, 400, downhill, dogleg left, I reckon.
Right down, okay.
Teeing up to the right, giving himself a bit of view. Driver in hand, wallop down that middle.
2 of the shorts.
Stay there and it's fine.
I think it should be alright.
See it?
It flipped them.
It clipped them, so
You'll be on the edge, I reckon.
yeah.
Like I was on. I reckon that's less in than where I was, possibly. But who knows, eh? What do you reckon, Ray? Did you see?
I'm not feeling great about it.
Snakeball?
Yeah, maybe.
You alright, Dan?
You right, Dan?
The wind off the right, you said?
Wind off the right, bro, yeah.
I don't think it is. I think it's into...
Was it not off the left on the first?
Well, it was coming in off the sea, so it's got to be this way.
So it's just straight into.
Yeah.
That's alright. Should pop out, it's Dan. Fairway?
Don't know.
I think I can see Dan's coming out.
Can it come out?
I saw something. Might not have been a ball, don't know.
Probably.
Should I play a provisional?
They normally come out.
Because they're not guaranteed.
I'll play a provisional too.
Might as well turn it
Oh,
into
well
a
done,
four-ball
Ray.
bat
You used
ball,
my
wouldn't
ball.
No. I have more respect than that, Matthew.
You know, I don't mind you using them.
Using your balls.
Yeah.
Right, provisionals o'clock. We don't really know what's up there. It
Should we
does
have a
open
go,
up
Matt?
a bit.
I think it's me
like-
first, is it? No, it's you first.
No,
Behind
you
these
step
trees.
Back, you.
Step back, good sir.
Calm yourself.
Calm yourself right down, good sir.
This is made for you, this whole map.
Made for me.
Just high jaw bomb ball.
Right down there. On those 2 trees, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cut.
Hmm.
Cut.
I reckon that could be alright.
That's fine.
Yeah, does
Yeah.
it go round there, does it?
Yeah.
That's just a low neck.
Yeah. Cut.
Made for you, this hole.
That ball was definitely turning left as you said cut. That is some control of spin axis you got there. Snap it, cut a little. There's that big bird
Yeah,
again.
that's it, yeah. I'm looking at that. Oh, it's a nice colour. Coppery.
Arrow ball.
Yeah, good shot. That'll kick.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Bloody lovely.
Perfect.
Anyway, so we're playing the 2 provisionals because we don't want to go in there. So it's 3 off the tee for both of us, but as it's match play, it's irrelevant. Obviously, Matt has hit the runway because he necked that. He is way down. I think he's caught the old.
Handcrafted, bro.
I reckon you might have caught the path. Is that a fair call?
Handcrafted. No, I don't think I have it in the path.
You said you did in the buggy when the camera wasn't on.
Do you think I can get a wedge there?
Looking at the angle,
No, you
I
just
can't
run it
hit
and
that.
Yeah. I reckon if you ripped it, you might not have gone much further.
No, I know.
Yeah, flash. Is that handcrafted? Does it say handcrafted on it?
Yeah, it does, yeah.
Just in case.
Yeah.
I'm zooming, keep it steady. Dan, forget about getting stuff there, bruh. You're weak. Just go the longer one and come back, yeah? Back stop at the back.
I'm going to hit a 9-9.
Actually, yeah, that's 119.
Yeah, 125.
125, yeah, I like that. Rory's dunching is into that drop off, I reckon. Back all square.
Yeah. Oh, that's a lovely shot.
Classic,
that could
Dan.
go in. That could go in. Oh.
Come back, come back. Oh, I thought that would zip back from there. Great shot, Danny, that's it. Bit more.
Shot, little boy. Cheers.
Good shot. Now a bit of snot.
I'll do that.
That's it. We've just hung back.
Knuckleball!
We've just hung back. Guys, Dan, can you move the buggy to the left?
What do you reckon? Like pitching by the drain?
It's so hard to tell if he's going to fin it in the... This is the road
This is the
one.
road hole. Oh, sugar.
It's so hard to tell if he's going to fin it... over that side for us, please.
Yeah, over to the left.
It's so hard to tell if he's going to fin it into the road or literally hit it 10 yards. I'm going to go for the dunch 10 yards into the drop off. You know now for a fact you're looking at birdie if you're playing that, don't you? You're
Well, I'm hitting the green.
You're oh, this is... I'm nervous.
Driving's my strong point these days.
So Ray, 2-day-old shorts.
What's he do? He's got a low lofted club. Yes, 7-iron.
What your club you got, Ray?
8-iron? Yeah.
Okay. Approved by the leader. Yes, has to be, doesn't it? It's such a shame though.
8-iron, pitch it on that
Left,
brown
on the
patch.
left, yeah.
Up and round. You can still dunch this.
He'll fin these more, does he not?
Watch his knees.
Watch him closely.
Oh, that's lovely. On the
Yeah.
brown patch.
Oh, I'm zooming.
Run out. Shot, Ray.
Get up, get up, get up, get up.
Shot.
Good shot, Ray. Well done. That's
Like
a great
that.
play with the 8.
Like that.
I had some. That was some of the worst zooming I think we've ever experienced on this channel. Zooming like the trees up.
They are pretty though.
Yeah, they were. There might have been a monkey moving as I zoomed. You know.
Good zoom.
Thanks.
Alright, Matt was
Where did
just
he land? He must land past.
aim pointing.
Did he land past? Do you remember?
I think he must have done.
I can't see anything.
Yeah, he landed.
Oh, it's there. It's
Yeah.
there. Right, you're 1 up, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, it's-
buddy.
Must be the 5th. 4th. Calm down. Go in.
Pick it up, Matt. That's a very good putt.
Yep. Well done, Patner.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Make 4s off our drive, shall we?
Look at that.
Call it a 4. I think that's clever.
Very smart. It looks, isn't it?
Broken man right there.
I've got one of them on my head perm.
I know.
And it looks great, Mark, I have to say.
Like in England, if it's sunny and hot and someone does that.
What's funny in the comments
They
is there's
laugh.
loads of Aussies who are saying, like joking aside about the hat, how clever it is. Because obviously they're bred to fear the sun.
Yeah.
They're like, you know, not enough people do protect themselves, which is a good point. I feel like I owe you this, Dan.
Dan hasn't got his putter, so we better give you that.
Yeah, it's fine anyway.
That's fine.
Dan ain't missing that.
Are we teeing off again?
What
Yeah, I think
clubs
so.
have you got, Matthew?
I've got a actual rinky.
23.
Yeah.
Any par 3s on this 9?
2 in a minute. By the sea,
Oh,
aren't they?
pretty ones, yeah.
By
No.
the sea.
What's the total length of the hole?
364.
364, no shot, 1 up to me and coach. Lovely shot. Perfect, isn't it?
Oh, you can say that if you want, because that is.
Nice logo there, Matt.
Sorry?
Good product placement, bruh.
Yeah, well, it's all planned. What are you doing? 3 wood?
I'm
Are
gonna
you
go
going tight?
Yeah, I'm going to go to the corner a bit.
Corner ball.
I want Dan to have not much in. So I'm going to try and go no further right than that little bit that's coming out, the bit I measured at 250.
Yeah.
Because I think that work, this still works. I'm going to,
That'll
you know,
be it.
It'll
guessing.
puffer, won't it?
Yeah,
And it's into wind a bit.
and if I do get the draw bomber, I'll go around the corner.
Like that. Yeah.
Cold.
That's an arrow, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Very
Yeah.
good.
That's all I'm going to keep there.
Yep, yep, yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. 2 outrageous drives. It's so narrow. You probably wouldn't do that again. You'd hit like a really short rinky up into that bit. Now Matt, I went through every name.
Rory.
Then. Rory's got his favourite then.
96, 56.
Yep.
I'm going to double camera you for this, Ray.
Well, I hope to disappoint you then.
Yeah.
Yeah, well said.
Drop off left.
And
Well
right.
spotted.
Like, let's hit this straight.
Amen, bro.
Yeah. I don't. Yeah. When
That's
I
like
do
a
hit
Sky
wedges,
Sports commentary.
My
Well,
usual
they
tactic
do
with
work
wedges
hard
do
then.
hit back
Yeah.
shots.
That's straight. Go!
Short, isn't it? It's way short. Good layup, Ray.
Straight. That's what I asked.
Yeah. Nothing else.
You didn't elaborate on how far he needs to hit it.
That is 20 yards short, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just didn't fancy hitting that one harder? No. You struck it, didn't you?
Yeah.
Lovely. Here he is.
Got to be about 80.
He's out of the buggy for us to grace us with his pitching expertise. Rip it in there, Danny boy. Little jewellery. I love your little jewellery. Spin left.
Oh. Bit long.
Bit long.
I thought I played that well.
You struck it. Beauty. Sun trap.
Sun trapped.
Sun trapped.
Crazy. Wedges are making me nervous.
Like just now.
Like me personally.
Oh, they're making you now fear.
I'm just going to hit 7-iron.
Are you?
I think I am. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Ray, you've made... You've made him nervous to play wedges. He's hitting a 7-iron run.
Oh dear. Driving god.
Still got the feel with that though, haven't I?
Ain't you just? Wow! What a shot! That is such a good shot with a 7-iron. Because it was never the play. That was never a 7-iron run. It's just quite plenty of green with Matt's abilities. Brilliant feel, mate.
Shot, bro. Thanks, bro. Flipping heck.
Got us out of that, maybe. Got us out of that. We're trying, aren't we, Ray? We're trying.
Brilliant recoveries.
Downhill, birdie putt to go
that
back.
way?
Dan just not bringing a club ever.
He's putting so much pressure on.
Yeah, he is.
Like morally. Oh, it's in the middle as well, isn't it?
No, it's short.
I'm scared of the last green, how quick it was.
That's a shame. Stays at 1.
Stays at 1. Right, stays at 1. Beautiful hole. 117 playing. Massive drop. And I reckon there's a big slope at the front of that green. Wedge, Ray?
I've got 50.
50 degrees. Good strike.
Yes.
Right at it.
Hole in 1. Oh, a bit left.
Spin.
Shot. Well done.
Very good, Ray.
Very nice.
Nice proper strike.
It's easier when I can tee him up and I don't have to interact with the ground.
Yeah. What you got, Danny boy?
I've got a little wedge.
Got a little wedge, everybody. Chuck it in there, little jewelry.
Yeah, I think that kind of I'm gonna work with that today.
Yeah. Oh, you are sounding not good. Little push to finish, Dan. Come on. Yeah. Be up.
That's on it, isn't it? Oh, back edge.
That's too far, isn't it?
Bit too far again. Unlucky. It looked good in the air.
I
can't believe I got that much strength.
No, I can't. So,
Both gone a little long left.
Lovely little hole.
Yeah, it's cool, isn't it? I like seeing the junior tees there as well.
Yeah.
Just over the other side of the water. Giving everyone a chance.
Indeed.
Oh, it is hot in this little corner, isn't it?
Yeah, there's not much breeze around here.
Apart from the stuff coming out of Mark's mouth.
oh, hit it again.
That's a great part. Dan's feeling ill, Matt.
Hmm? What, sick hill?
No, I'm joking. Pick it up.
That was in, wasn't it?
Pick
Yeah.
that up.
That was a tracker.
I was only messing. I was saying Dan's feeling ill. Should we make him putt it?
There, Danny
Oh,
boy.
I see what you... Sorry.
Yeah.
Did you get that?
Not that nasty.
Did not get that.
Straight in the old centre mill. Has to go 2 up.
Held to the yeah. Oh, he's hit that hard, has he?
No.
Daddy!
He's hit it. Oh.
Turn! Why didn't that turn? He's going to see that.
Yeah, I know.
Do you want to have it?
I don't mind, it's your choice.
What do you call it, Dan? I'll give it.
Yeah, pick it up. Uphill. Uphill, dead straight.
I'm happy.
Thanks, guys.
Stayed at 1. Thought I'd hold that.
Yeah, it's a good run, but better than my weak effort.
Understandable coming down that hill though.
Are you?
I think I am.
Really?
Yeah.
Ray, you've made you've made him nervous to play wedges. He's hitting a 7-iron run.